Hello guys, how's it going? Are you fine? Today I'd like to start my topics about group work. That's very important for the learners. Group work, by using group work, one can explore very standard in writing form. Okay, we have to apply our speaking and writing group work. The using of group work plays a better role all over the world for the language learners. So today I'd like to start about look, using of look. Look for. That means খোঁজা. I'm looking for a pencil. আমি একটা pencil খুঁজছি. Look for. Look up. He looks মনে করা বা মনে হওয়া. He looks up. He looks up me. Looks up মানে look up মানে খুঁজে বের করা বা মনে করা বা গণ্য করা. Look up the word in the dictionary. Look upon. গণ্য করা. I look upon you as my brother. Look down upon. ঘৃণা করা. Don't look down upon the poor. Look over. পরীক্ষা করা. The teacher is looking over the answer script. Look into. তন্ন তন্ন করে খোঁজা. মানে ransacking. That means ransacking. The headmaster asked the committee to look into the matter. Look after. দেখাশোনা করা. He looks after the children. Look around. Look about. চারিদিকে তাকানো. What are you looking about? That's okay, my dear. Using of look as a group verb is gone. Now, by using make, how can we explore the identity of make in different ways with the Bengali words as well as a sentence? I will talk now about it. Listen to me carefully. Okay? Make, using of make. Make after. ধরার জন্য ধাবিত হওয়া. কাউকে ধরার জন্য ধাবিত হওয়া. The police made after the culprit. পুলিশ কালপ্রিটকে ধরার জন্য ধাবিত হয়েছিল. মেক ফর. মেক ফর মানে কি কোনো দিকে যাত্রা শুরু করা. ইটস গেটিং লেট. উই উড বেটার টার্ন অ্যান্ড মেক ফর হোম. মেক আউট বুঝতে পারা. I cannot make out what he says. I cannot make out what he says. Make over হস্তান্তর করা. He made over the charge to his successors. He made over the charge to his successors. Make up মনস্থির করা. I have made up my mind. I have made up my mind to continue my video. Make for. Make off. কোনো কিছু দিয়ে তৈরি হওয়া. The table is made of wood. Make from. কোনো কিছু থেকে তৈরি হওয়া. Sweets are made from milk. Yes. Makeover is gone. Everything is gone. By using of make is gone. Now, my dear viewers, we have to learn about put. Put down. Put down মানে দমিয়ে রাখা. The revolution was put down by the army. Put down. লেখা. Put down what your teacher says. Put off. খুলে ফেলা. Put off your shoes. And put off the another way ফেলে রাখা হয়. সেটা হলো don't put off your SW for tomorrow. Put out নিভানো. The nut vendors put out the lamp. নিভিয়ে রাখা. Put on পরিধান করা. Put on your new dresses. Put up with সহ্য করা. I cannot put up with such insult. Put up হাত তোলা. Put up. The students put up their hands in the class. Okay, my viewers, by using look make and put is gone. Thank you. We have to talk about by using of turn. Turn aside. You understand? Turn aside মানে কি? বিচ্যুত হওয়া. We should not turn aside from the path of virtue. Turn against. শত্রু হয়ে ওঠা. I do not know why he turned against me. Turn down. বানচাল করা. The chairman turned down this proposal. Turn on. Please turn on the radio. Turn out. বহিষ্কৃত করা. The students was turned out for adopting unfair means. Or means. Unfair means. Sorry. Turn off. বন্ধ করা. Turn off the laptop. Turn up. উপস্থিত হওয়া. He has yet not turned up. অথবা he has not yet turned up. দুটোই চলবে. Okay, last of all, by using of take as a group verb, what will be? Take. Take after. সদৃশ্য হওয়া বা দেখা যাওয়া. The girl takes after her brother. Take down. লিখে রাখা. I took down the notes for tomorrow. Take off. খুলে ফেলা. I took off my school uniform after I had come from school. Take off. O-double-F. Off. ত্যাগ করা. The plane took off at 4:30 p.m. Take over. ত্যাগ করা. গ্রহণ করা. Take over মানে কি? গ্রহণ করা. The new principal took over the charge of the college. Take out. তোলা. I will take out some money from my bank account. Take up. আরম্ভ করা. Mr. Anis will soon take up practicing law. Okay, my viewers, thank you very much. No more today. Wish you good luck, and you have to subscribe my channel, and you have to share the video to my audience, to the another audience, to learn English and the best using of words. Those are also available seen in the exam, as well as for your better learning in English development. It's very much effective by using of group verbs in a sentence. Okay, both writing and speaking. Thank you. Wish you good luck.